Hey there, it's Brian from America's Fun Company, and something we're doing today over here in Brentwood, Tennessee, just right by Nashville, is we're taking this gentleman's Pro Dunk hoop and we're taking it from this location and we're moving it over here to this location. The reason why I'm making this video is because I hardly ever mention some of the other services that we provide, which is if you need your basketball hoop moved, you need your trampoline moved, you need any of something moved, whether it be just right there on your own home lot or if you're moving from house to house, we can help you to get that taken care of. So look at this beautiful new space that we created for them, and over the next hour or so we're going to take this model right over here, disassemble it, bring it over here, reassemble it, and we're going to get our clients having fun and playing more basketball because they're going to like their new base and their new ability to be able to shoot the basketball hoops better. So if you need anything, please give me a call or text. My name is Brian Scott. My number is 312-532-1048. Look forward to doing business with you and having your family have more fun, having your kids have more fun, which makes obviously your life better and happier, and that's what we're here for. So thanks very much for your time. You have yourself a beautiful day from beautiful Brentwood, Tennessee. Bye for now. Have a great day.